supplier list for new skincare and beauty businesses with Victoria Warren Jackson. When I first started my business, I had a lot of painful experiences. I could not find anyone who was willing to share the names of their suppliers with me. It just seemed like no one wanted to help me at all. I just felt like no one believed in me. And because of that, there were so many times I wanted to give up. I felt like giving up. I would stop, I would start. It's because I just felt like nobody believed in me. And I had so much trouble finding my suppliers on my own, and I was a beginner. But today, I'm so grateful. I did not give up. I'm glad I held on. I'm glad I stayed in the game. So I just like to say thank you to those people who said no to me. I created this video to help anyone who is having trouble finding suppliers. Thanks to those people who would not help me, their actions motivated me to help other business owners. And as I've said before, and I'll say it again, I believe there is enough space at the top for us all. So in this video, I will be discussing 4 suppliers from each category. In the resources section of this video, I will provide additional suppliers that I do not discuss during the video. So at the end of the video, I have other resources that you can also refer to. So these 4 suppliers, they provide everything that you need. If you need ingredients, supplies, recipes, packaging, and so much more, you can find those things from these 4 companies that are listed here. The first one is Essential Wholesale and Labs, and their website is exactly like their name, essentialwholesale.com. And then you have Wholesale Supplies Plus. So many startup businesses, they go to Essential Wholesale and Wholesale Supplies Plus. Another company is Essential Depot, and the website is just like its name, essentialdepot.com. And another popular company that provides many different things that your company will need is Bulk Apothecary. And I'm not sponsored by any of these particular companies, but I can tell you that I have purchased products from all of them. So if you're looking for fragrance oils and essential oils, there are so many companies out there, but you need to buy and find quality products. So if you need to find fragrance oils and essential oils, Liebermirth.com, they have a really big supply of fragrance oils. And if you go to their website, Liebermirth.com, you can have a chance to play around and type in some of the different fragrances that you are looking for. And also, they're very friendly. If you call them and you can tell them that you're looking for a certain fragrance, if it's not on their website, they will go through their database and they will see if they can locate it for you. Also, if there's a fragrance that you're interested in, you may be able to speak to them to have that fragrance produced, but they will require you to purchase a larger batch of that particular fragrance. Another company is Eden Botanicals, Wellington Fragrance, and New York Scent. And all of these companies, they have quality fragrance oils and essential oils. But once again, you need to do your own research before you spend your money, which is very important. So if you're looking for bottles, some of the most popular companies that are used by startup businesses is containerandpackaging.com. You go to their website, you can look on there, play around, and just try to find what you need. And I've also noticed that if you call them, they're very friendly. And if they are out of stock of any items, they'll tell you, they'll take your name, they'll make a list of what product you need, and then when it comes in, they'll give you a call. Another popular company is Sks Bottling, and their website is sks-bottle.com. And there are two other companies that are very popular, such as United States Plastic Corp and McKernan Packaging. So if you're looking at this list right now, these are some very popular companies that many businesses use to purchase their bottles. If you are looking to purchase hair products, many of the popular organizations or companies that sell hair products are China based, the China based vendors, because they have the more valuable um, wholesale prices. And four of them are, well, the first one is Mega Look, and you can go to their website at megalook.com. Another company is Luke's Fame Hair or Lux Fame Hair. Okay, extremely popular, Lux Fame Hair. And then you have Arison Wigs. And notice that I'm providing you with all of the websites. So I'm not providing you with a lot of information. I'm just giving you the names of the companies along with their websites, because I think it's very important that you do your own research before you make a purchase, because I may have had a certain experience with these companies, but you may not have the same experience, or you may have special needs and you would need to speak to them. And another company is Donor Hair. So if you look at this list, these are the China based vendors, and you can always contact them, go to their website, get their contact information, and then just reach out to them and also visit their websites as well. For cosmetics, there is Manna Private Label, extremely popular. Manna Private Label. And if you're interested in private labeling cosmetics, they are one of the go-to companies. And then you have Color Lab Private Label. Once again, you're able to private label their products, and you can just put your label onto a product that has already been created. And then you have Monove, which is another company that's extremely popular. And then last on this list is Quality Cosmetics. So you can just take a look at the list, and then when you get a chance, go to the websites, go to these websites, skim and scan the websites and just find out if they have what you are looking for. And then also, me personally, I like to make phone calls and ask questions and get some guidance before I spend my money, because that's very important for me. And also, when you are if you do decide to make a purchase, don't just jump in head first and make a large purchase like 500 of one item. Try to get a sample first. And then some of these companies, they will charge you for a sample. Why? Because you have so many people who call in every day, and they have questions, and then they want to sample the product and they never come back. So they may charge you a small fee for a sample, but I think that's a good investment, because you want to make sure you spend your money wisely. So if you're looking to purchase supplies for nails or press on nails or anything in the nail family, you would want to maybe check out Nail Wholesale, and the website is here. And then also you may want to check out Princess Nail Supply. Okay, so you would simply just need to just go to these websites, do your research. Don't just take my word for it. And then there's DK Nail Supply. Okay, these are some really popular companies that are used very frequently by a lot of businesses, startup businesses, who are just starting out and they just need a little bit of guidance. And then Also, you have it's a prey nail. And in the beginning, I couldn't pronounce that, but it is a prey nail, and it's spelled APRES. They also have some really high quality nail products. If you're looking to find labels, some of the most popular businesses to purchase labels would be Lightning Labels, okay, or Consolidated Labels. You can also go to the website and check their websites out. The third company on this list is All American Labels, and then you have Online Labels. So, once again, I like to advise you to go to the websites, look around, look for pricing, and you may want to call them as well, because when I first started purchasing my labels, I called a lot of different companies, and really I just needed a company that had experience and patience, because I asked a lot of questions. So when a salesperson is assigned to me and my company, I need to make sure that I can communicate with them and they're not going to get upset with me when I ask questions. If you're looking to purchase boxes, there are some really some popular companies that are constantly used. The first one is Uline. Okay, so Uline is extremely popular. And then you have Paper Mart, you have Pack Lane, and then you have Pack Wire. So these are some really popular companies to purchase your boxes if you want just regular plain boxes, if you want customized boxes, whatever you want. But just remember, if you're a startup company and you do decide to purchase boxes, please understand that that will decrease your budget. So if you're just starting out and you're trying to get boxes for your company, you need to call the companies and you need to get pricing. Find out how many you need to purchase, is there a minimum, how much, and just ask your questions so that you can make sure that you're making a wise decision to get boxes if you are a startup business. So for websites, there's many companies out there also that offer websites, and these companies, they will allow you to produce your own website, or they will create your website for you and you can maintain your website, or you can do everything yourself, and then they may have a customer service number that you can call in and you can get help whenever you need. But it all depends on your budget. Your budget will determine who creates your website, who maintains your website, and who changes the information on your website. It just all depends on your budget. And trust me, you can do it yourself. You can create your own website. It may be, something that's simple, and it may not be as eye-catching in the beginning, but if it has a professional look, nobody knows who created your website or not. So some of those companies are, number one is GoDaddy, okay? And I spoke about GoDaddy in another one of my videos because I have used GoDaddy to create websites, okay? And then you have Wix. You can go on over there, do your research, and then you have Squarespace, and also, a lot of people don't really talk about the Yahoo website builder, but it is extremely easy. I have used the Yahoo website builder, and I'm not I guess like a technology whiz. So if I can do simple things because it's so clear on their website, I just believe that there are so many other people. You can do the same thing. You can do the same thing that I have done, because, if the website is friendly and I can just read it and I have access to their customer service, then, I can make it happen. So these are the other resources that I did tell you that I would discuss in the end of the video, because I didn't discuss them throughout the video. So there's Nature's Gardens, and they provide fragrance oils and essential oils. And then you have Rustic Essentials, okay? And they also provide fragrance oils and essentials oils. You have Aztec, and it just so happens that their website is just a little bit different from their name. Their website is candlemaking.com. And then there is Candlescience. And this particular company, they don't just sell, supplies for candles. They also sell fragrance oils as well. So there are companies out there such as Aztec and Candlescience. Yes, they do have a large customer base who create candles, but they do have resources for other business as well. And also there's Be Scented, which is a really good company for all of those different types of oils that you would like to purchase. So this is just a resource list. You can go through the list, do your research, and when you find a company you like, then my best advice is request a sample. And then there's Effervescence. They have, fragrance oils and essential oils and so forth. And then there's Maple Street Candle Company. Now, please remember, I did say, even if it has candle in their title, that doesn't mean that they only have supplies for candle makers. And on their websites, they usually have information that tells you how their supplies can be used. Like, for instance, if they have a fragrance oil, they may tell you that this fragrance oil can be used in shower gels, lotions, candles, and then they'll provide you with the percentage that can be used in each of those items. So next on the list, there's Nature's Gift, there's White Lotus Aromatics, and there's also New Directions Aromatics. Because once again, I like to remind you, when you purchase your fragrance oils and essential oils, you want to purchase from companies that offer good quality products, and you want to purchase from companies that have a return and refund policy. Because I don't like purchasing from companies where they tell you, we don't provide refunds, and after you purchase it, it belongs to you. Okay? I like a company that's flexible and that's willing to work with me. Okay, so another company is From Nature with Love. You can go to their website, kind of skim and scan the website and see if they have anything that could possibly benefit you and your business. And then there is Company Box, okay? And if you look on this page, you see I've also provided the websites for you. You have Lone Star Candle Supply, and please don't let the word candle make you think that they only provide supplies for candle makers. And then there is Covalence, and then there's the M Seed Group. Check out these resources, do your research, and just find out if they have anything that could help you in your company. And Brambleberry.com, they have videos on their website, recipes, basically just a lot of good information to guide you in the right direction. And then you have Alameda Packaging, there's APC Packaging, and of course, who does not already know about AliExpress and Alibaba? Okay, so these are some other resources that you can use for your business. And I wish you so much success. I do hope that this video can be of help to you, and that some of the information can help you and help your business to grow. And I'm just telling you what I know.